2014 Mercedes C250 with a leaking water pump. You can see the water down there. Not really taking nothing off to see better, but I'm finna see how it looks right now. Okay, I don't know why this is stopping it from coming out, but okay. Alright, put that back in. Work with me, work with me. Alright. I see a little water. Yes, this was already broken before I touched it. The first thing I'm about to do is remove this annoying air hose. This hose is so annoying because most of the hoses that's on it don't even detach. So start by moving that. Alright, finally got this hose off. By far one of the stupidest designs I think I've ever seen of air hose. First thing I'm gonna do is start moving the hoses. If you want to, you can drain the coolant. I'm just gonna take a hose off and put a pan on the bottom and collect as much as I can. So start moving connector, hoses. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and move the belt. It's already pretty much damaged, so she need a new one. But I asked her if she wants to change it out, but if not, it's gonna be how it is until she's ready to. Got all the hose clamps loose, and pull this one up, pull it off, and I'm start taking the bolts out. That's not the right color. I remove other hoses. Alright, now I just gotta take the bolts out. Alright, so what I did to get, because the power steering hose is kind of in the way, to get to like two bolts. One right here and one right here. This right here. So what I did was I kind of moved the hose clamp down to like the furthest point to get a little more pull out room. And then I lifted up just a tiny bit to where I can get to the bolts. Now, of course, the two bottom ones. Alright. Take these out. Come on, man. Why is it not all the way loose? Not loosing it all. Oh, it's a longer boat. Okay, that explains it. to the bottom with our longer bolts. Alright, let's pull it off and see what we got. I know these things can sometimes come out broken, so we're gonna see if this one is. This power steering thing is in the way. Like, it's crazy. You might have to take it off. See, flip it up some. It's so tight, the hose itself is so. Yeah. Use both hands to kind of just pull on this while I pull that part down, because that's what we're getting stuck on there. And then try to pull it out. Yep. The thermostat itself is stuck in there. That's what usually happens. See if I can get that out. Let's see. You know what? Just take a pry bar. Touch the metal. Not nothing else but metal. Just kind of pry on the metal screen. See if that's going to come out. That's crazy. That was destroyed. This is how the inside look. Not bad, nothing in there. Just gotta wipe the old gasket parts off, but good job. Alright, we got our original water pump that's going on. This is how it looks. This is how it should look. It sits in there. Good gasket. And it's all kind of like one piece and not two, how it came out. Try to fit this in here. Alright. I'm just gonna say, anybody wondering if you can do this job? Yes. Yes. I think the hardest part is removing that air hose, and I'm not even joking. That's the hardest part of the job. Let me use both hands to put this in here. Alright, that's how it's sitting in there before I tighten up the screws. Looking good.